Hello Fusion 360 modelers. In this video we're going to copy this leg and move it. One thing I want to do before we move on very quickly is we've left these corners sharp and I want to add a fillet. So we'll come up here to the fillet command. I'll click these two edges at the bottom and define them as 0.06 and click OK. So now you see that fillet feature is added to the model. So before we move on, we need to be sure that we go up to the top layer and activate it in our model. And now with the top layer activated, we can hover here, right click to get this pull-out menu, and we're going to click copy. So we have this leg copied. Now let's click on the baseboard and right click again to click paste. I'd like to say something here about paste versus paste new. Because this design, the legs are going to be identical, I am going to go ahead and paste. What that means is any future changes I make to the first leg will apply to this leg that I'm pasting here. All right, so we've got our second leg, and let's just click OK right now. And we'll begin to move it by using a precise move tool. Let's turn on our base so that we can see it. And now you can see this other notch that we want to move our second leg into. So this leg is coincident right now. They're both existing in the same space. So I'm going to activate the second leg. Click M for move. And I'm going to choose this point-to-point option. And it's asking for the origin point. Right. There we go. That's very, very subtle, but that's the origin point I have selected. And now we'll pull back. And we'll select the origin point in the base. Great. And we'll click OK. So now, when we go back to the top layer and activate it and hit home so we can see everything, we should be able to see both legs positioned properly in the model. And in our next video, we're going to model the tabs that will slide into these notches so that this base will not be able to move down. See you there.